Okay, so I'm here doing a top end on a 2020 yz125x that has 49 hours on it. I put the hour meter on it when it was brand new. I'm doing a top end just as preventative, but I think this could have waited. So, like, the piston looks pretty good. Like, you can see all like the factory grooves like down it, and there's nothing, like there's no scoring or anything like that. And if we flip it over, like this side, you can see that it's, sorry, I can see, I don't know if you can see. Like a little bit of wear is going on, but not too much. So I'm gonna replace it, but I would say that 50 hours is probably just a little too early for a top end. Like, if it's end of season, whatever, I guess do it, but this is a new piston. So I'll throw this in here, but through the cylinder too. Like the cylinder, I didn't even take the head off. It's got all the factory like cross hatching in there. Like it looks really good. Like this this top end could have waited. It could have made it a little longer. I saw a video of a guy doing one at 80 hours. He had a little bit of scoring in his piston, but he might run his a little harder than mine. I don't really know. But keeping that air filter nice and clean and oiled, and running a good quality 2-stroke oil seems to work for this bike. Anyway, if you have any questions about it, just let me know. But it's just kind of my opinion on it. So if your bike's at, 40 hours, 45 hours, 50 hours, I probably wouldn't worry about doing a top end for a little longer. Like, you get a few more hours out of it for sure. Anyway, thanks for watching.